students, welcome back to our EVS class. In past two EVS class, we covered a safety first lesson. So today also we are going to discuss about the same topic, but we already covered the lesson. So today we are going to discuss on a book exercise regarding that safety first lesson. Shall we move on the book exercise in this lesson, guys?
Shall we move on a book exercise, guys? Yes, take out your EVS book and page number 44. Take your pencils also. First one, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First question, when are you not very likely to fall? Here I shown the options to you all. Option A, running on the stairs. Option B, climbing on a chair. Option C, leaning out of a window. And option D, walking in the park. So which one is the correct answer? And question, when are you not very likely to fall? And our answer is walking on the park. Walking in the park. So you should circle the option D. And question number 2. It is safe to touch dash. It is safe to touch. Look at the options. Spoons, knives, the stove, plug points. So which one is safe to touch us? Spoon is safe to touch us? Yes, exactly. Spoon is safe to touch us. Other three options is not safe for us while touching. So answer is spoons. And the third question, you can cross the road at the dash. You can cross the road at the dash. And options are playground, footpath, zebra crossing, corner. Playground, footpath, zebra crossing, corner. Where should we have to cross the road, guys? Answer is zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Good. And the fourth question, it's safe to play. It's safe to play. Our options are with your toys, on a broken swing, with wires, on the road. So which is the safe one to us? With our toys. With our toys. This is a safe to play us. So now we complete the first one. Choose the correct answer. And now we are going to move on the next one. Say what could happen in the following situations. We have to look at the picture and identify the solution for the following situations. Now I am going to share the pictures. Look at this picture. Two girls are playing on a slide. One girl is pushing two other girls. So what will happen? The girl who is pushed might fall and get hurt. Get hurt. Get hurt means வலிக்கும் அடிபடுறது. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம யாரையாவது புஷ் பண்ணி தள்ளுறப்போ கண்டிப்பாக அவங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆயிரும்? அடிபடும். And the next picture, one girl is playing with the fire using a matchsticks with candle. That is good, ma? Yes. So what will happen? The girl may hurt, burnt. The girl may get burnt. Burnt means சுட்டுரும். கை வந்து சுட்டுரும். Next thing, road. What is that? Traffic road. What will happen? The boy may get hit by a vehicle. The boy may get hit by a vehicle. ஸோ இந்த பாய் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? ஃபுட்பாத்தில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணாமல் ரோடில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறப்ப the boy get hit by a vehicle. So in below each picture, you should write this answer by using your pencil. Okay guys, I need a clear handwriting. Write slowly and neatly. Clear, ma? And the next thing, what should you do? What should you do? So here I am going to give some scenarios to you all. You have to write the answers for this. The first scenario, first situation is you want biscuits, but that are kept high on the shelf at our home. நம்ம உங்களுக்கு வந்து பிஸ்கட் சாப்பிடணும், பட் அந்த பிஸ்கட் பாக்ஸ் எங்கே இருக்குது? ஷெல்ஃபில் மேலே இருக்குது. ஸோ இன் திட் சிச்சுவேஷன் வாட் ஷுட் யூ டூ? நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? நம்மளே சேரை போட்டு சேர் மேலே ஏறி எடுக்கலாமா? நோ. We should ask the elders at home. We should ask the elders at home. And second question, you want to play on the balcony, but the wall is very low. But the wall is very low. So in this situation, what should you do? We should not play on the balcony. We should not play on the balcony. So near the question number 1, you should write this answer. And question number 2, you have to write this answer. And the next one, you are lost and do not know the way home. You are lost and do not know the way home. So what should you do? So in this situation, we can tell our address to any policeman who is around and find our way back to home. ஸோ நம்ம எங்கேயாவது ஒரு இடத்துல தொலைஞ்சு போயிட்டோன்னா immediately we have to find some elders, especially the policeman, and we have to share our address to the policeman who is around and find our way back to home. So that's what we insist in our last EVS class. We should know our residential address with our parents' name and the contact numbers also. Next question, someone you have seen before near your school offers to take you home. To take you home. ஸ்கூல் பக்கத்தில் யாராவது ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சர் நின்றுருக்காங்க, ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சர் நின்று வா உங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு அழைச்சின்னு போகிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இன் திஸ் சிச்சுவேஷன் வாட் ஷுட் யூ டூ? We should not go with this person. We should not go with this person because the person is a stranger. Stranger is a danger for us. So we should not go with this person. Okay guys? And next thing, vocabulary. First one, footpath. F-O-O-T, footpath. P-A-T-H, path. Footpath. Next, zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra crossing. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Crossing. Zebra crossing. Next, address. Address. A-D-D-R-E-S-S. Address. Police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. Lace. L-A-C-E. Lace. Stranger. S-T-R-A-I-N-G-E-R. Stranger. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. Stranger. Clear guys? So you should write these vocabulary words in our classwork note and you have to read this also. And next thing, scrap activity. We all have a scrap note with us. So you have to complete this activity in your scrap note. And what is our scrap activity? Find and list the various dangers in the following places and what you can do to be safe. So first one, the corridors and stairs. Second one, the road outside school. Third one, the play area. The play area. So in the scrap activity la நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? What we are going to do? Corridor, staircase, road outside school and play area. ஸோ இந்த ஏரியாலலாம் நம்ம என்னென்ன அன்சேஃப்டியான திங்ஸ் நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸோ அந்த அன்சேஃப்டி திங்ஸ்லேருந்து நம்ம எப்படி சேஃபாக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்றத யூ ஷுட் ரைட் இன் யுவர் ஸ்கிராப் ஆக்டிவிட்டி நோட். கிளியர் கைஸ்? Now we completed our lesson safety first. Thank you guys.